Hello and welcome back. Welcome to the MCode. Today let's solve contains duplicate. In this question we have given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element are distinct. So if you see the example 1 over here, we have given array nums 1, 2, 3 and 1. So 1 is duplicate. In this case we are going to return true because if we see the explanation, element 1 occur at the index of 0 and 3, so this is not a distinct, so we have to return true. So if we see example 2 over here, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4, all elements are distinct, so we are going to return false. So if we see the explanation, like all elements are distinct. Okay, if we see example 3 over here, we have 1, 1, 3, 3, 3 and 4, so every element is repeated, so we are going to return true because this is not distinct, we have too many duplicates over here. Okay, let's move to the approach part, how you can solve this. For this question we have too many approaches, like we can solve this using set, we can use this HashMap, we can use sorting, but in this question, like I'm going to use a set. So let's create the set and let's create the input array we have given, like 1, 2, 3 and 1. So let me write it. Okay, now let's iterate the array one by one and check if the current number does not exist in a set, then we are going to add it. Otherwise, if it does, then we are going to return true, we found a duplicate. So let me see for the 1, does 1 exist in a set? No, it's not, so I'm going to add 1 into the set. So let me write the 1 into the set. Now for the 2, does 2 exist in a set? No, it's not, so let's add the 2 into the set. So let's add the 2 into the set. Okay, now let's move to the 3. Now check, does 3 exist in the set? No, it's not. So let's move the 3 into the set, and let me fix it first. And now let's move to the 5. Now let's move to the 5. Does 5 exist in a set? No, it's not. So let's add the 5 into the set. Okay, now let's move to the 1. Okay, let's move to the 1. Does 1 exist in a set? Yes, it does. Then we find a duplicate because set doesn't include a duplicate, so we are going to return true. Okay, now let's move to the coding part. We are going to use the same approach to find the duplicate. Okay, let's create the scene set. So scene is equal to set, and let's iterate the nums for n in nums. So if n does not exist in a set, then we are going to add it. So if n not in scene, then I'm going to add the particular n into the scene. The scene dot add n. Otherwise number already exists in a scene, so if, let me write the comment, if already exists, like already present, then we are going to return the true. That means we found the duplicate, so return true. And like if we didn't find any duplicates, so if we didn't find the duplicate, otherwise then we are going to return false at the end. Let me write the comment properly, otherwise no duplicate found, no duplicate found. Let me run it. So test case has been passed, all the test case has been passed. Let me submit it. It's submitted and it's pretty efficient. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.